Hi guys, so we're here to review on climbing technology Alpine up. On this video we're just gonna go and show you the overall of the device, how it works and what it looks like, and the other videos will follow with the demo on the this side of the section, which is your belaying in the click up, and or this, I don't know, I think they call it either the static or dynamic, and then on the other side it's got the 1 and 2nd um, belaying system here. So let's get the couple of things out of here. um, in the in this in the packages it comes with the manual. Okay, it's got a good instruction in here, so you should read it when you get it. This is just a safety little things. So okay, so the package comes with the Alpine up, and you also get with the carabiners. The carabiners is nothing that unique about it, just traditional carabiners. The radius here is a little bit different. I think maybe works a little bit better than your traditional carabiners that you may see, like these type. These are old, but anyway, most carabiners have very similar design, but it seems to work a little bit different because maybe how they're shaped. But this actually does work. So anyway, um, let's go over on the device itself. So this is a design for pretty much the right way to do either left hand or right hand. But based on the diagram, if you're right-handed, it's a perfect match because you can't really get lost on what you should be doing. Okay, your hands are here, so that's your feeding rope, and this is your climber, so the rope gotta be going this way and you breaking this way. You got your handlebar, the leverage, so this is basically rappelling your partner down, or you're rappelling down. Okay, and it's spring loaded. Okay, so you can hear click, and it also has a little indentation here, so you grab this real easy. Okay, and in back of your the lever, there's like a little concaved section here. That's is just for the rope, so they has enough space to it. They just make a solid, so don't rub. Okay, now the on this side there is a plastic piece. It's a spring loaded, and that's a part of the function of the click up. Okay, and I guess in the next videos when I demo with the rope, you'll get to see what I like. Okay, so on this part you have the carabiner go in here with the rope, such this way, and also in here. Now this is dynamic. Consider the dynamic is like your traditional ATC. Okay. Now, in order to actually put your carabiner through, I had to go through a few times and figure this out. Maybe I was just dumb enough, but you can't get to it except there's only one way to fit this, and that is right here. So that's how you would fit it. Okay. And the thing is, they're actually designed so well. See, right now I'm perpendicular. Look at that, how tight it is. That's how well this is designed. Okay, so take the carabiners on the side. So the overall, it's got a 2 plates centerpiece. It's got some anchor for this part of 1 and 2 seconds for belaying. Let's talk about the braking part. It's got notches here, and I'm gonna see if I can show you better. You can tell it's sort of L shape, go down inside. Okay, I'm gonna try to point right where my finger is. That portion here is actually a rope will actually lock it when carabiners and rope will slide up here, and that's where the rope will hit. So that's when it locks, and obviously you're breaking your feeding rope right here. So once that happening and clicks in, it just locks. Okay, very simple and easy to disengage. Okay, and we'll show it on the next video. So on this side is basically for belaying someone below you. Okay, and you're anchoring this to the wall, and you have your two ropes coming down here. The pictures here shows you the hand, which is the inner part, and then the climber is the outside. Okay, so you're on this portion again. You're braking because your rope is right inside. You already have a braking, and then you're climbing on the outer rope. So the person is below, it's coming out, and then you're pulling down. I guess this function is very similar to the Petzl Reverso, I think ATC maybe type, and work the same way. And of course, they have a picture for carabiners. You bring the rope in and you tie it in. So in this side, you actually have to have additional carabiner to anchor it, and also there's a hole right here, and this hole is only used on this portion of how you belaying to leverage, because this only go this way, which is only going to work for this side. So on this side you would definitely need additional carabiners, so two additional to this one to make it work. Alright, so this is the Alpine up, and if you check the next video, we'll show you this side, and then our third video will show this side. We'll see you in a little bit.